Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good Christmas Eve to you all. I hope you're all well at home. So this is the second last time that you can try and get those entries in for the Christmas giveaway. It's the Team Last Man Standing game. This game was meant to go up 2 days ago. Life has just been so busy the last few days, trying to get everything done for work before Christmas, staff not coming in. Elle's mum unfortunately in hospital as well. Thank you all so much for the nice words. Unfortunately, she will be in over Christmas, but she is okay. And hopefully, fingers crossed, she'll be on the mend soon. So again, a couple of days behind schedule. We're getting on with this. There's going to be one last chance to enter the Christmas giveaway after this one. The results will be up later, and the final lists for the Christmas giveaway will be up maybe 9 or 10 o'clock this evening. And then 10 in the morning, we're going to be straight on to that Christmas giveaway. So let's begin. Team number 5. Ian and Colby Shelton, unfortunately the first from the ball. Moving on at number 14, James Joluffe and Smithy. Then we've got team number 7, Alan Jenkins and Ian Strudwick, followed by number 9, Phil and Gavin Kirkslake. After Gavin, we have got Triple Coins and Currency of Earth. And the final team out in round number 1, 6 teams down, is Dave S and also Terence Day. Again, still to come today as we get a few more names from the ball. We're going to be looking through the answers of the Christmas quiz. A few of you wanted another Christmas quiz up. I am heading over to see my mum today. We always do Christmas the day early over at her house. And then tomorrow's a nice relaxing day just for me, Elle and the boys at home. So we're going over there. I'm going to get another Christmas quiz wrote up when I'm over there. And then that will be up as well this evening as well. Again, a bit hectic today. I do apologise. Just been so busy this last few days. But like we always do, we will make sure all the videos are done and uploaded. So round number 2 begins, and we have got team number 1, Dennis Fitzpatrick, Granite Chicken. We also had 16 out in this round. We've got Kev and Barbara. 11, Curtis McElroy, and also Nick is out in this round. Number 3 as well, Norman Graham and Lego Madness. But it does look like there's 2 Legos in this one. The Lego Moose is still in. Quick count up then of how many teams are left. It looks like there is 10 teams remaining. So from now on, we're going to go down to those individual rounds. Again, if you are one of the remaining 4 teams, you're going to get your name on one of those Christmas lists. 10th place, Hooked on Classics and Glyn Newbold. A great run there. Hopefully you can still get on those Christmas lists. Number 15 is next from the ball, Wally Robson and Martin Dack. Up next, it looks like it's 17, Ryan Price and also Andy Bowman. And we're getting a lot closer now. Lego Moose is in there, John Camp, Squirreling Coins, Andy Vickers is still in there. Umar Collects, I'm not sure if he's on one of those lists yet. Chloe Annabelle, good luck everyone. Number 20 is next, it's Dylan64 Gaming and Kenneth. I do apologise, every time I say someone's name, it always comes from the bowl. Lloyd is still in there, David Lister. Who's it going to be next? It's number 8, which is indeed Andy Vickers and Yellow Lighthouse. John Camp, Squirreling Coins, Lego Moose, David HQ, Chloe, John, Lloyd, Umar, Jimmy, David. One more team, unfortunately, will not make it into the final 4. We're going to find out who that team is right now, and that is going to be team number 21. 5th place, just falling short, Chloe Annabelle and also John Harvey. Well done though to the 4 teams. You're going to make one of those Christmas lists. But before we get those names on there, bragging rights time. Who is going to be the team last man standing for this Christmas special? Unfortunately, Lloyd and Umar Collects, it isn't going to be you, but you are going to get your names on one of those lists nonetheless. On to the podium, 3rd place, a great run, but not quite on the top. Team number 2, it's John Camp and Squirreling Coins. 13th place 4 then. Who is going to be the victorious today? Jimmy and David, Lego and David. It's definitely going to be a David. It's not going to be David Lister though and Jimmy Lacari, but it's another entry on one of those Christmas lists. Team number 4 remains, hopefully. Number 4 is on this piece of paper in here. The Team Last Man Standing Champions Christmas Special, Lego Moose, David HQ. A huge shout out to you both. Again, let me know which list you would like to go on. Round of applause all around to everyone taking part. Again, the next video is going to be the final chance to be able to get your names onto one of those Christmas lists. If you don't actually make the Christmas list, don't worry. We're going to be giving away 2 little bonus prizes in the live chat tomorrow morning. That's going to be open to everybody, as again, I really do want everyone to be able to enter and enjoy. Unfortunately though, if you don't make the Christmas list from the games, you won't be able to take part in the big prize draw, but nonetheless, again, you will be able to play along and try and get one of those live chat prizes. Today then belongs to Lego Moose, David HQ, give you both a huge shout out there. And again, for everyone that's been part of the channel this year, I honestly cannot thank you enough. Growing faster and faster. I think today we're going to hit 27,500 subscribers. Again, phenomenal. And I honestly can't wait to see where next year takes us all. Again, from me, Elle and the boys, a Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you all have a really great day. For any of you who might not have anything planned, there will be a few videos on the channel tomorrow. I'll be about on the channel as well. So if anyone does want to chat, feel free to email me throughout the course of the day. I'm more than happy to talk to you all. Have a blessed Christmas. Again, Lego Moose, David HQ, a huge shout out to you both. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.